Sweet potato pancakes with delicious maple syrup and pecans. Hi, it's Mila from Munchkin Time, and today I want to show you how to make the most delicious sweet potato pancakes. They are super fluffy and absolutely scrumptious. If you like this recipe, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell button. Now let's begin. For this recipe, you'll need 1 large sweet potato, 3 eggs, flax seeds, pecans, vanilla extract, and maple syrup, oat milk, flour, and baking powder. First, we're gonna ground our pecans and flax seeds. I like to add them into my blender and blend them until everything is grounded. After you ground pecans and flax seeds, add them into a big, large bowl. And to the same blender, add peeled sweet potato and oat milk, and blend it until puree texture. Then add the texture back into the big bowl with flax seeds. Now add the eggs, vanilla extract, and maple syrup. In a small little bowl, add flour and baking powder and mix it well. Then add it back into the large bowl. Now whisk everything very well until everything's combined and your batter is ready for cooking. Preheat skillet over medium-low heat and add about 1/3 cup of batter for each pancake. Cook for about 3 to 5 minutes on both sides. If you like this recipe, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell button. Decorate your pancakes using fruits and whipped cream. As for me, I like to make a huge stash and serve it with lots of maple syrup and eat it just like that. And I like to garnish it with roasted pecans. If you enjoyed this recipe, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell button. Also, let me know in the comments what's your favorite sweet potato recipe. I would love to know. And I'll see you later. Bye! Happy cooking!